9 a.m. where we shall proceed with the hearing.
Obila kaonti ma Homa Bay omako achije 30 kaachiel kod kuong machik oko puodho moingo lita 12,000 e gwenge ma Nyambarem mani Rangwe. Apedha mane Obila otimo ne otelnegi commissioner mar kaonti no men Moses Lilan kod komanda mar Obila ma Homa Bay Samson Kine. Obila ne olimo ogeng' aora mar Rangwe kama ne achijego osebedo ka ologodo nyuoyo kong'o no machik oko puodho. Obila bende ne ojuko achijego gi chang'a lita 1,000, kangara maromo lita 11,550 kod nguru kilo 100 ma itiyo godo e loso chang'a. Achijego no ogeng'negi e tesend Obila ma Homa Bay ka irito chwalgi e doho.
In that crackdown, we were able to arrest about 30 people who we found while they were brewing in that region. We were able also to intercept about 11,550 liters of kangara. We were also able to nab 1,000 liters of changa. Alongside that also we've got almost 100 kilos of sikaranguru, which is a raw material for preparing changa. And as you can see also, we were able to get 2 border borders, which we believe were being used to ferry this changa. Around that area, of course, we've got reports of insecurity. We've got reports of conflicts around the homestead. We've got also reports of teenage pregnancies. And we believe